Defense lawyer, prosecutor tried to coach false testimony file, in this Sunday, October 15, 2017, file photo. Panola County District Attorney John Champion holds an enlargement of a selfie taken by the late Jessica Chambers, as he presents his closing arguments to the jury, in Batesville, Miss, in the capital murder case against Quinton Tellis. In a motion filed Monday, July 2, 2018, a defense attorney for Tellis alleges that Champion sought false testimony from an unrelated defendant in exchange for leniency, and asks that he be thrown off the case and punished, and that a September retrial be delayed while the state attorney general's office takes over the prosecution. AP photo, Rogelio V. Solis, Pool, File, Jackson, Mississippi. AP, the defense attorney for a man charged with killing a Mississippi woman by setting her on fire, says a district attorney sought false testimony from an unrelated defendant in exchange for leniency. In a motion filed Monday, the lawyer for Quinton Tellis asked that Panola County District Attorney John Champion be thrown off the case and punished, and that a September retrial be delayed while the state attorney general's office takes over the prosecution. Tellis is accused of killing 19-year-old Jessica Chambers in 2014. Panola County Circuit Judge Gerald Chatham is scheduled to hear arguments Monday on the motion in Sardis. "I can't discuss the motion," Champion wrote to the Associated Press in a text message Tuesday. Court is Monday, when all of the facts come out. Tellis' first trial ended in October in a hung jury. Attorney Darla Palmer alleges in papers filed Thursday that Champion met with another of her clients, Jalen Osir Matthews Caudill, without her permission in April. Palmer told the Associated Press Tuesday that Caudill met Tellis when both were jailed together in DeSoto County and that Caudill became her client after Tellis referred him. In a sworn statement, the 19-year-old Caudill said that Champion tried to guide him into saying Quinton Tellis had told him that Chambers had called Tellis Eric. "It's clear to me these are violations of what our rules are and just in terms of what a lawyer should stand for in terms of honesty and integrity and justice," Palmer said of Champion's actions. Prosecutors say Tellis set Chambers and her car on fire on a rural back road near Cortland on the night of December 6, 2014. Firefighters and law enforcement officers testified at the first trial that they heard Chambers say, "Eric," or "Derek, I attacked her," although prosecutors presented testimony that Chambers was so burned that she would have been unable to properly pronounce words. Champion said other evidence led to Tellis, but the defendant's lawyers made Chambers' words the center of their case. "Eric is not on trial today, but ladies and gentlemen, he should be," Palmer told the jury in closing arguments. Caudill, a Horn Lake resident, was indicted on capital murder, conspiracy to commit armed robbery and gang charges in relation to a March 2017 shooting in South Haven. He was one of 5 people initially charged. Caudill said he was brought to meet with Champion at the DeSoto County Jail on April 5 and that Champion stated that he could drop your charges a whole lot, something to where you can get home a lot sooner, and then asked Caudill, "Is there anything you want to tell me about Quinton's case?" Later, Caudill said Champion said, "Jalen, what about this? Quinton's nickname was Eric, right?" Caudill said he didn't know, but said Champion continued to try to guide me into saying stuff, saying, "Okay, let me help you out. Quinton told you that Jessica called him Eric, right?" Caudill also said Champion urged him to drop Palmer as his attorney. "I know a public defender." Caudill recounted that Champion said, "He is a friend of mine. If you help me, then I promise I won't send you away for life." Chambers was found walking on the road looking like a zombie, according to trial testimony. She had third-degree burns on more than 90% of her body when she died at a hospital in Memphis, Tennessee, about 60 miles (95 kilometers) north of Cortland. The horrific circumstances surrounding Chambers' death garnered national attention. Champion said investigators searched for people named Eric or Derek but ultimately concluded the evidence led to Tellis, including an analysis of the locations of Tellis' cell phone and Chambers' cell phone on the day of her death. Tellis has told investigators he does not know who killed Chambers, and denies prosecutors' claims that he had sex with her. He admitted after first denying it that they were together for a time on the evening of her death. Ellis faces another murder indictment in Louisiana, where he's accused in the torture death of Mayang Chen Shou, a 34-year-old Taiwanese graduate student at the University of Louisiana at Monroe. Follow Jeff Amy on Twitter at http://twitter.com/jeffamy. Read his work at https://www.appnews.com/search/by Jeff Amy. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.